Okay, guys, thank you very much for showing up for our lesson 12. Okay, we are making progress. Okay, quickly let me show you what we will be discussing today. Okay, I think on the back of the camera I was able to tap these three things here for time sake. We have article, we have details, and we have summary. We have article, we have details and summary, and we have abbreviation. So we're going to be learning today how to write article in HTML and how to write details and summary, writing the summary and giving more details about that summary. Okay, and we're also going to be showing you how you can abbreviate words in HTML. So quickly, I'm going to open our sublime text. All right. Okay, here we see lesson 11 is here, but we're not going to work with lesson 11 quickly. We are going to create new file, and then in the new file, we're going to save this new file, Control S. Okay, so we did not specify the file that we're about to use. So if you check down here, they say save as step. You see nothing is here. All right, so there are lots of files that you can choose from here. Okay, so you can choose HTML, all of this gibberish they are here. Okay, I'm not going to consider them, so I'm going to take from here and set our HTML. all right, so we'll come here, select HTML quickly, and then we'll ask it to save. Now Control S, it is just this. So we say lesson 012. Now we don't need to add a file extension because it's already down here. So we save this. So we have lesson 12. We come here and say HTML. Good. We'll press our tab key, everything come. We are into this title section. We say lesson 012. So in here we say we are going to be discussing three tags. Okay, so within the three tags, you know, for our beginner lesson we usually do something. Okay, we usually specify the lesson using an h1 element. Okay, so we say lesson dash 00012. Okay, lesson 12, and come under it, and then we can be able to. So now let's just make a unordered list. And make an unordered list quickly. Good. And make a list. And make a list. And asterisk D. Okay. So this is our list element now. Okay. So here we have article. We have after article, we just want to show you, we want to make all of our topics there clearly. Okay, 2 and 3, we have article, we have our abbreviations as well. We have abbreviations that we'll be working with, and then we have details and summary. Good. So right after this, we're going to put an HR or horizontal root here and save it. So as we save this, open it into the browser, expect this. Good. So these are the things we are going to be working with. All right, so now let's get down straightly into our lesson for today. So our lesson for today says we should have our article, we should have our details and a summary. Okay, so in writing an article, we are going to be taking a few things into consideration. Okay, so we are going to be taking into consideration article here and so forth. So firstly, we're going to get our article tag. So as you can see, there's the article tag right here. I'm not going to keep my time, just going to pick it out from there and come and say there's an h4 telling us that this our first article is about men. Okay, and then we'll come here, we say the paragraph tag now we say about men. So in here we can say man was in the image of God. Okay, we say man was created in the image of God. Okay, so to save us time, we can copy the text and somehow duplicate them multiple times. Okay, and then just paste them multiple times. All right, so paste it 3 times. So this is our first article. All right, this is our first article. Okay, now we can write another article, copy this entire article here. All right, and then we can come here and say the women. Okay, okay, so we say women were created image of men. Image of men. Okay, do not mind whatsoever thing I'm putting here, trust me. All right, so now we have 2 articles that we are just created. Okay, we have 2 articles that we have created. So we are going to open it into our browser and see what we have now. So you see here, this is an article. This is telling all this the article here, and there's the body of the article. There's an article here, there's a body of the article. But trust me, for modern day web development, you're not actually going to play around with article, because there are lots of ways you are going to be using what we call the depth. The depth, you're going to be using the depth. But I'm just doing this for our beginner, for our intermediate understanding how it works. Okay, because at times you need to call article to save time on your work. So we get back to our co-editor, and the next thing we're going to be doing is this abbreviations. Okay, so for abbreviations, we are going to find our abbreviation title. The title of the abbreviation, we say so we say the World Wide Web. Okay, we say the World Wide Web for our abbreviation. Okay, so in this abbreviation, we're going to put www into the abbreviation. All right, so that's the title of our abbreviation. All right, so taking this as the title of our abbreviation, we need to provide other information concerning this. So other information will be, we can say the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web. Now let me make the code more cleaner for you to understand. This abbreviation here is only affecting the www. Okay, it is what we are abbreviating. All right, we say the World Wide Web is helpful, is good to me and my company. Okay, so as we save this and return into our browser, and then let me show you what you're going to see now. So if you see here closely, let me zoom this browser so that you people can see. So 150 will be okay. Good. So if you check here closely, you will find that we have this www here have a dotted lines on it. Okay, telling you that this is our abbreviation. Okay, and then if you just hover over it, you will find it saying the World Wide Web, www. Okay, the World Wide Web. Okay, so now that is it. That is for abbreviation. If you hover over it, you will find it. Trust me, if you do it the same, you will have the same result. Okay, we get back to our browser quickly, and we have another thing to just run over. Okay, quickly, another thing to run over. We said we want to work with details. Want to work with details. Want to work with details. Want to work with details and summary. Okay, want to work with details and summary. So how can we work with details and summary? We have to firstly get the details tag, and then we get the summary tag as well. So after getting the 2 tags, we're going to put in all of our information into the details, into another paragraph, and then the summary going to hold those things for us. So here we see summary. Okay, so here for the summary, we're going to say let us find something that would be much more better. Okay, we say for the summary we say cars. Okay, we say cars. Okay, so now in the detail section we are going to do a paragraph here saying, going to do a paragraph here saying describing a car, saying what the car can do also, right? So in the paragraph we're going to say a car has four moving legs. Spelling of that crap. A car has 4 moving legs that enable it to move faster than we human. Good. So do not take this, okay? I'm just writing some random gibberish text. Okay, I don't want you to think about it. So as I save this, and then we head over to our browser. As I saved it, we head over to our browser. This is what we found. You see car here with a little button to it. Car is here with a little button to it. Okay, so as we click on the button, it show all everything down here, the details. Okay, so car is just our summary, and down here show us the details. Okay, so as we try it, okay, as you try it, you're going to see. As you try it, you're going to see. Okay, so we can try another details text as well. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do another one. Let me make this cool much clearer. Okay, so come here, we say details, and in the details here we have a summary. So in the summary here we say Chrome. Okay, Chrome in the summary, and we'll come down here. We can also get a paragraph to say something about Chrome. Okay, what is actually Chrome? So we say it's a web browser that is more efficient to, let's say, okay, more efficient and more developer use it, but hackers just don't love it. Okay, so save it. So for this now, we have our summary being Chrome and our details telling us about what are those things that are associated with Chrome. We say Chrome is a web browser, and Chrome is a web browser, come on, that is this and this. Okay, do not mind any English I use here. I'm just trying to get something across for my code. So as we refresh our browser, we see another details and summary here. So I will click on this, we seeing this, right? So guys, thank you very much for staying. Until then, you are with Codewithtec. Okay, there are lots of things we are going to be learning. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in our